Welcome to 99 Minds, the platform to manage omni-channel loyalty and gift card programs. In this video, we're going to walk through setting up VIP tiers on the loyalty page. So first, make sure you're logged in and redirected to the dashboard screen. You'll notice various sections in the menu bar on the left side. Next, click on Widgets. Within this section, you'll find the loyalty page. Simply click on Customize. Here, you'll encounter different options like General, Hero, How It Works, Loyalty Opt-in, and more. Our focus is on configuring the VIP tiers. You'll see the Tiers section along with a preview. You'll notice an option called Visibility. You can enable or disable it on the storefront. The title here is VIP Tier Program. You can customize the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Here's the subtitle and here's the title. You can add multiple tier options. For example, I've added bronze, silver, and gold. Let me show you how an option looks. Let's start with bronze. You can set a title and description for it. It will appear like this in the preview. This tier corresponds to what you've added in 99 Minds, and it will appear in the dropdown. I've selected Plus Level 1. You can also choose the color. Decide on the tick mark color and other colors. I've chosen white for the card background. You have options for icons and images. You can select any icon here. Similarly, you can choose any image. In this example, we have selected this icon, but images are also an option. Now, let's talk about benefits. These can be added in this section. You can add multiple benefits. For instance, $10 CAD for every $10 purchase. These are visible to everyone. Here's an example title: 250 points on a birthday gift, and so on. Additional benefits like free gifts, exclusive promotions, and member-only challenges can be added. New benefits can also be included here. You can configure benefits for silver and gold tiers too. There's a section for types towards the lower side where you can adjust background colors, title colors, subtitle colors, tier subtitle colors, tier options, font colors, active tier font color, and active tier highlight colors. The highlight colors indicate the customer's current tier, which will be highlighted with a blue color. This is termed as the active tier highlight type. You can also manage badges here. Speaking of badges, you can select one and control font size from this area. Adjust the title size, subtitle font size, tier title, and more. You have various alignment options for the tier contents. There are 3 alignment options: right, left, and center. Here, I've chosen Center Align. You can also toggle the border display. This is the border setting. After making your adjustments, click on Save and then Close. Head back to the store. You're now on the storefront. Refresh the page and log in with a valid user account that has rewards and tiers. Here's an example profile. Let's say John. John has 151 points and his VIP tier is visible. We've already set this up in the 99 Minds loyalty base section. The tiers bronze, silver, and gold are shown, highlighted with a blue border. This is John's current tier. You can display the current tier like this, effectively setting up the VIP tier section on the loyalty page.